Okay, let's be real. Generative AI is a marketer's dream, right? It's helping us whip up content and strategies faster than we ever thought possible. But, and this is a big but, every time you use it, you might be accidentally giving away your company's most valuable secrets. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how to use these amazing tools without leaking your secret sauce.
And just so we're all on the same page, everything we're diving into today comes directly from Chapter 4 of the Generative AI for Marketing Professionals tutorial, which was put together by Virtualization Options LLC. So let me just ask you this straight up. While you're working, is your AI assistant quietly leaking your company's best ideas? It's a pretty scary thought, and honestly, it's the core problem we are tackling today.
And this, right here, is what we're calling the AI property risk. Every single time you type a prompt into a generative AI, you're not just creating something new. You could also be exposing the very ideas that give your company its edge.
I mean, think about how you use it. You're tossing in your creative briefs, those half-formed campaign ideas, your secret strategic notes. If you don't have the right safeguards in place, all that valuable info could end up exposed, maybe even used in future training data, or worse, get snagged in a security breach.
So where do we even begin? Well, before you can build a fortress, you've got to know what treasure you're protecting, right? So let's map out the specific types of marketing intellectual property, or IP, that are really on the line.
So what are we really talking about when we say IP? Forget the legal jargon for a second. It's basically all the intangible stuff that makes your company special and successful. It's not just a logo. It's the brilliant thinking behind your campaigns, your data-driven strategies. It's your competitive advantage.
All right, first stop on our tour, your creative IP. This is the stuff you can see and touch, well, digitally anyway. It's the ad concepts before they ever see the light of day, those unique messaging frameworks, all the original photos and designs your team creates. This is usually the first thing that pops into our heads when we think about protecting our work.
Next up, we get to the really juicy stuff, your strategic IP. This is the secret playbook for how you win. We're talking about your deep dive market research, your brutally honest competitive analysis, and of course, your plans for that next huge product launch. A leak here, absolutely devastating.
And then there's the stuff that's so easy to overlook, but man is it valuable. That's your process and partner IP. It's the unique way your team gets things done. Maybe you have a custom algorithm or a special workflow. And just as important, it's the confidential stuff you get from your agencies. Remember, you have a duty to protect their secrets too.
And finally, kind of like the umbrella covering all of this, you've got your brand IP, your trademarks, your logos, that distinct brand voice. These are often your company's most valuable and recognizable assets. Protecting them isn't just a good idea, it's non-negotiable.
Okay, so we've mapped out our treasure. How do we protect it? Well, your first shield, your first line of defense, is actually something you probably already have. It's all about understanding the legal agreements you're already bound by, like contracts and NDAs. Think about it. Your team is already living inside this web of agreements, whether you realize it or not. From the NDAs you sign for a potential partnership to the tiny print in your own employment contract, these documents are packed with confidentiality clauses that dictate what you can and cannot share with an AI. So this really boils down to a simple checklist. Before you paste anything into that prompt box, you need to ask yourself these questions. Is this info covered by an NDA? Who actually owns this idea according to our agency contract? Could this violate our agreement with a tech vendor? It's a simple pause that can save you a world of trouble. All right, so contracts are our foundation, but now we need to get more tactical, especially when it comes to our most strategic assets. Let's dig into how you can specifically safeguard your competitive intelligence and your brand identity when you're using AI.
This list right here, this is the kind of stuff that's like, well, it's like handing your secret playbook directly to your biggest rival. Putting your honest assessment of a competitor, your secret launch plans, or your pricing models into an external AI is a massive red line. You just don't cross it.
And when it comes to your brand, you need some simple, hard and fast rules. For your trademarks, never ever upload the actual logo. Describe it instead. For your brand voice, feed the AI-approved content so it learns your style, and then check everything it spits out. Same for visuals. Guide the AI with your brand rules and review every single image.
All right, now we're getting to the inner sanctum, the final lockbox. We are talking about your trade secrets, the information that is so valuable, its exposure could cause permanent, catastrophic damage.
And I really need you to hear this. There is no undo button.
Once a trade secret gets out, its value is gone. Poof, forever. You can't get it back.
So you absolutely have to have a system in place. It's not that complicated, really. First, you've got to actually identify what your trade secrets even are. Second, lock down access. Not everyone needs to know. Third, and this is the big one, strictly prohibit anyone from inputting this stuff into an AI. And finally, document everything you're doing to protect it.
Okay, let's bring it all home. If you remember nothing else, remember this checklist. First, know what IP you're working with. Second, understand your contracts before you even think about prompting. Third, set clear, simple rules for your competitive and brand assets. And last, treat your trade secrets like the crown jewels they are, because once they're gone, they are gone forever.
Which leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Generative AI is, without a doubt, a massive strategic asset for any marketing team. But you have to decide, are you using it like a strategic asset, or have you accidentally turned it into an open book for your company's most valuable secrets?